Back to my video. The previous video, this is going to be part 2. My camera cut off on me, so I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible. I'm going to do my cash envelope stuffing. So I'm going to be putting $68 into my cash envelopes right now. So let me get my paper here so I can refer to it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be putting, and I have my cash right here. So yeah, my other video, it cut off on me. So like I said, this is part 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to record this real quick so my camera doesn't cut off again. So I have my cash envelopes right here. Okay, so obviously this is on top. So in my miscellaneous, I'm going to be putting $10. And I already have it written down on back where I'm going to track how much money I'm putting in there. So $10 for miscellaneous. My next envelope is going to be household. And then household, I'm putting another 10. That to the side. For my savings, number 1, I just created a separate envelope for that. The rest is in coin. So $8. That's 8. For my allowance, I'm going to be putting, which I forgot to write down here, $5. Yep, $5. For gifts, it's going to be 10. And this is what my gifts envelope looks like. Christmas is going to be 10. Okay. Entertainment, I'm putting 5. And, yep, 5. And then for beauty, eventually I'm going to get my, hopefully everything will open back up. So I'm just going to go ahead and start putting money to the side so I can get my nails done again. And $5 in beauty. Okay, so these are my cash envelopes. And got everything covered. I'm going to draw some more things on here for Christmas. Gifts, allowance, savings. 1, savings number 1. Household. Had that upside down. Miscellaneous. Okay, guys. Thank you once again for popping back in if you did. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like. And then hit subscribe if you would like to follow me on this budgeting journey. And I hope everyone is well and are following all the rules as far as this pandemic goes. You know, wearing your mask, staying in. Don't leave out unless you really have to. And I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.